So question two, working with consumer credit. So Nima bought appliances costing $3,735 at a store charging 6% add-on interest. She made a down payment of $600 and agreed to monthly payments over 2 years. Find the monthly payment. So this is Nima again, but they changed the numbers a little bit on us here, so we can't use the information in question one. So again, one of the things we pick up on is she did make a down payment. So our principal balance, if you will, is going to be this $3,735, subtract the $600 that she actually put down. So we make note of that. So if you do that math first, we understand how much she actually borrowed. So $3,735 and subtract the 600, we see that she's only borrowing $3,135. That's her principal, her initial amount, what she's borrowing. Now, what we really need to do is find how much she has to pay back. So really that's her final amount. So remember the final amount, there's a shortcut form that says if we multiply the principal times 1 plus RT, since this is simple interest, this will give us our amount that she's borrowing over a period of 2 years. So notice how we actually are borrowing only $3,135. The interest rate was 6%, which is 0.06 over a time of 2 years. If we multiply that by two, this will actually tell us how much she actually is borrowing, or how much how much she has to pay back, how much she's borrowing altogether. So if we do this 3,135 in parentheses, this 1 plus 0.06 times this 2 years, that'll tell us how much in total she'll have to pay back. So this includes the interest as well. So $3,511.20 is what she's got to pay back. Now the catch is we need to find the monthly payment, how much she has to pay back each year. So really we have to figure out how many monthly payments does she have. Well, so we need to figure out how many total payments she's got to make. So the total payments, well, since she's doing it monthly, we know there's 12 payments per year. And since there's 2 years, we know that the total payments is going to be this 12 times 2. So it's going to be 24 payments, if you will. So what we pick up on then is her monthly payment. So monthly payment. We're going to distribute this $3,511.20 over 24 payments. So if we divide this $3,511.20 by 24, so what she owes is going to be spread out over 24 payments. This will tell us what she's going to pay on each payment. So I already got the 3,511 in there. So I'm just going to hit the divide button. Notice how since it just brings this answer on down. Then if I divide that by the 24 payments, that's going to tell us what she's going to owe per month. So her monthly payment is going to be $146.30. So again, if I multiply that by 24, that should get us back to the $3,511.20. So notice how this is these fixed payments. So she has a fixed payment of $146.30. As long as she maintains that fixed payment, she'll have her appliances paid off in 2 years. Doesn't sound that bad, paying $146.30 a month. So it doesn't sound horrible there. So make sure you get it all broken down and make sure there's no hooks in it because this is simple interest. Not all borrowing appliances is done that way.